Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture, I am going to discuss some important Indian comics. So let's start with first Indian comic, which is titled as Amar Chitra Katha. This particular comic was established in the year 1967 and name of founder of this particular comic is Anant Pai, and this comic is known for its richly illustrated tales from Indian history, mythology and folklore. And this particular comic was founded with the aim of introducing children to India's cultural heritage in an engaging and educational way. Another comic is titled as Tinkle. This particular comic was established in the year 1980, again founded by Anant Pai. This is another sort of creation of Anant Pai, and in this particular Tinkle, he is trying to create some popular characters like Supandi, Shikhari Shambhu, and Tantri the Mantri. So, with this comic, he means Anant Pai tries to combine humor along with moral lessons. So, he wants to inculcate moral lessons via portraying humor in his comics, and also at the same time, he makes it a favorite among young readers. That is why he mingles humor along with moral lessons in this sort of comic. Another comic is titled as Chacha Chaudhary, which was established in the year 1971, founded by Pran Kumar Sharma, and this was created by Pran Kumar Sharma and follows the adventures of clever old man Chacha Chaudhary and his powerful sidekick Sabu. So, in this comic, he tries to mingle witty dialogues as well as engaging plots, and moreover it has been means this comic has been a beloved comic for people of all ages. This comic is titled as Bal Narendra, which was established in the year 2014, and a founder is Vivek Kumar. So, Bal Narendra, created by Vivek Kumar, is a comic book series that depicts the childhood adventures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, this sort of comic aims to inspire and educate readers about his journey from a young boy to a prominent leader. Now, next comic is titled as The Adventures of Tintin, which was established in the year 1929. This is not an Indian comic but was founded by a Belgian creator whose name is Herge. And this is popular in India because majority of population in India preferred this comic. That is why this particular comic has garnered a massive following in India. And this particular series means The Adventures of Tintin depicts a young reporter whose name is Tintin, who is on his global adventures. So it tries to depict his journey, Tintin's journey. Now, this comic is titled as Ramayan 3392 AD, which was established in the year 2006, and founders of this particular comic, are Deepak Chopra, Shekhar Kapoor. So, it is a futuristic retelling of the classic Indian epic Ramayana 3392 AD, which combines ancient mythology with science fiction elements. So, this sort of comic offers a fresh perspective on the timeless tale of Mahabharata as well as Ramayana. This one is a sort of graphic novel titled as Kari, which was founded in the year 2008 by Amruta Patil. So, this is a graphic novel that delves into themes of sexuality, identity, and relationship through the character of a young woman whose name is Kari. So, this particular graphic novel explores the life of this woman whose name is Kari in Mumbai, and also at the same time delves into themes of love, loss, as well as self discovery of a girl, of a young woman. Another one is titled as Corridor, which was established in the year 2004, and its founder is Sarnath Banerjee. It is a graphic novel that offers a humorous and insightful look into the lives of urban Indians. So, this novel captures the complexities of modern Indian society. Another graphic novel is titled as Bhimyana Experiences of Untouchability, established in the year 2001. And this particular graphic novel includes many founders such as Durga Bai Vyam, Subhash Vyam, Sri Vidya Natarajan, and narrates the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and sheds light on the experiences of untouchability in Indian society. Another one is titled as Aghori. This particular comic novel or graphic novel was established in the year 2014 by many founders whose name is Ram V and as well as Varun Kumar. So it is a dark and gritty graphic novel by Ram V and Varun Kumar. This particular graphic novel explores the world of Aghoris, which is considered to be as a mystical sect in Indian known for their extreme practices. And also it delves into supernatural abilities and Aghori's complex relationship with society. Next one is titled as Kashmir Pending, which was established in the year 2016 and includes two founders whose names are Nasir Ahmed and another one is Saurabh Singh. So, Kashmir Pending is a graphic novel that addresses the ongoing conflict in Kashmir through the perspectives of ordinary individuals living in the region. So it this particular graphic novel offers a poignant and thought-provoking narrative via this particular graphic novel titled as Kashmir Pending. Another one is titled as OA India, which was established in the year 2005, and it includes founders whose names are Anindya Roy and Samit Basu. OA India combines humor with social commentary to satirize various aspects of Indian society and politics, and it also at the same time provides a fresh and engaging tale on contemporary issues. Another one is titled as Priya's Shakti, established in the year 2014, includes many founders such as Ram Devineni, Vikas K. Menon, Leena Srivastava. This comic addresses gender based violence and advocates for women's empowerment. So, this sort of graphic novel features a fearless young woman who challenges societal norms and fights for justice. Another graphic novel is titled as The Itch You Can't Scratch. This was established in the year 2019 and includes founders who comprises of various Indian artists. The Itch You Can't Scratch offers a diverse collection of tales ranging from whimsical to profound. So this sort of comic graphic novel showcases the talent and creativity of emerging artists in the Indian comic industry. Then with this video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your exams. Thank you.